All right, just got these LED lights, and these are going to be perfect for my desk because we're going to game. We're going to have a gaming desk. We got plenty of lights, various functions, the actual power adapter, the modules you need to connect, and then information how to control it, manual, and so forth. So we're going to set this up today in our desk. It's going to surround our desk, but before we do that, we're going to test it out. So let's go ahead and test it out. And if you guys can see, you have expansions for extra LED lights. We're not going to do that. We're just going to plug them in directly to test them out. So the way you do it, you have to find the connection within here. If you guys can see that, it has the IR and then the connection for the actual lighting. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in here. Plug it in, and then we're going to plug in the power. We're going to test them out, see how it looks. All right, I just want you to see this, how beautiful the lights look. All right, so we're going to remove this. We're going to test all these RGB lights. Look at that. Look at the size of it. It's not as powerful as you think it is, but it is beautiful. And this is going to surround my desk. Let's change the color. If you guys can see, it makes a noise when you change it. Purple. And then you could change modes. Heartbeat. Timing. Fire. Let's do the fire. Ooh, look at that. Stars. Meteors. Rainbow. And white. Now look at that. Modes. You got reverse. Audio. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. So when you're talking, this is how it's going to look like. Now, I'm going to show you the desk that we're going to surround there, right? And it's a gaming desk. This is my white, beautiful desk that we're going to set up. I have my gaming systems, my 2 monitors. Setting up other LED lights up there too, so it can match with this desk. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to surround the whole desk with the LED lights so it could be in the back and we plug it in too. So I can't wait to show you guys the final product. So it's a little messy in here because I'm moving things around, but this is my gaming system. My editing system, and we're gonna make it look good. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we got our remote control here, but we're not gonna use the remote. We're actually gonna use our phone. So you have to download an app on your phone, if you guys can see that. Now you can change it to your favorites. You can have your favorites in here set up. Look at that. All my favorites on here. I'm gonna change it to every single style if you want. And you could save up to 10 almost in here. Look at that. So I like this one. It changes every couple seconds. Different colors. If you want, you could go back to dynamic colors only to have certain colors. So we're going to change it to purple, blue. And this setup was easy because it's double-sided tape. I was able to set up throughout my whole desk. And my desk is about 70 inches long. And it was exactly the size that it needed to be on, exactly the correct size. Now it looks beautiful. All right, now another thing is that you could set up different music styles. So we're gonna go ahead and change it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're able to change it through here. And I'm gonna use my microphone on the actual phone just so you guys can see it, but I'm gonna change it to different styles. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. These are hundreds of different styles that you have here just by speaking it, and it's using my microphone on my phone. But if you guys can see the statics on the ambiance on the whole room gives it great lighting. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Audio test, audio test, audio test, 1, 2, 3. So anytime you're gaming and you want your audience to see when you're talking, this is a perfect way to set up your lights. I set up the light on the top and I set up the light on the bottom. It gives a great ambiance to your gaming setup. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.